Today we talk about how can you enable strict prices on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do invest. So you just you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on platform, just click on it. So then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you come here to strict prices, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that means strict prices enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.